uh, time changes and how. I'll give you example. When I was, advertising or advertised my do it yourself design course or be your own designer. So I had very kind of disturbing comment on my Instagram, and somebody said, "Sir, why you are doing this? Let the designer do the design and business person do the business." See, on the surface of this, it sounds okay, but we should also know what kind of time we are living. Why everybody has to learn design? In fact, everybody has to learn everything. Remember the few years back, if you worked in a corporate culture, there was a secretary who can bring a photocopy for you. You just say, I want a photocopy, and they will bring photocopy to you. And then there was somebody who you speak and they will type it out. For last 12-13 years, I have worked in a lot of especially ad agencies. I've never seen that. Even though, let's say, my boss, say VP or national creative director, they have to go and bring their own photocopy, own printout. They have to type it maybe like a very very big say, if you are working as a very top CEO level and other thing, you will have that facility. So how time has changed, and so this time has changed for everybody. So if you are a business person, or if you are a say engineering student, you cannot escape design. You have to have workable knowledge of design, because of a digital media, the communication is very in the moment and consistent, and there are lots of work has to be done. So I'm not saying that you leave your business and be your own designer. And so yes, there is a designer, graphic designer, they have to do so. But for something, say something happens Sunday night, and you got some ideas, you have to put a Facebook post or Instagram post. So it would help if you know the working knowledge of that. So just go do a Facebook post or an Instagram post or Twitter images and post it, because that thing is so important. Say somebody World Cup match or something, and that fits your brand or your business. So entire thing, we need to accept change and go by the change. I remember lots of people in advertising, they were very good art director, and they used to draw, put a layout, scribble, and there was somebody who used to do it for them on the computer. But nowadays, every art director, they know the software. They have to design their own stuff. Maybe for helping, photo retouching, or there are so many other things somebody has to do, help them. But the thing is that even you are a national creative director or a creative director, you have to do your own thing. And I know lots of people who became irrelevant in advertising and designing field, because they could not execute their own design or idea, because they won't have some computer operator who there they can backseat driving and say do this, do that. So entire thing go. And same thing, how technology changes. So even nowadays, like there are lots of technological thing happening, where image manipulation, or even there's a few apps, even the video editing. So there is always a scope for serious designer a mature designer trying to do design, even a business person do design. So I would suggest, I would suggest seriously that learn and have workable knowledge of design. Don't have a phobia ki I cannot design, or I'm not made for that. That's not my work. That's not going to help. Imagine somebody is saying I cannot type, or that's not my job. That's not going to help you. You have to learn, and that's happened. So whole idea is have a workable knowledge, not easy thanks to technology and you know lots of app and this thing. In fact, design or digital marketing, I summarize in three words: ideation, creation, and distribution. And everywhere, even for ideation you require some technological help, creation for sure, and distribution or the automation, if it's a done thing and everybody takes care. So don't be so you know um, phobic about not learning design, and you can learn easily. I do webinar and help people to learn design, and it's easily they are learning. So if you want, in the comment box, in the description box, I have given a link, and you can join my webinar. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understand that my intention is to help you, and whatever I said, it makes sense for you. And thanks for watching this video. Do put a comment. Also do like and share and subscribe my channel, where I talk about design and creativity.